to First Class International Trading Signals channel. My name is S and I'll be your host today. It's week 9 of the trading program is on trading time frames. Any questions, please feel free to contact me via email. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel with the link at the bottom right. This should keep you up to date all the time wherever you are. You will also get a reminder at the end of the program by the logo. Please do click. As always, I hope you're in profits with the weekly trading signals and your trading investments and in good shape. You'll find all the playlists at my YouTube handle, which is at FCITSC. This means if you miss key areas, you can catch up later. Okay, so as I stated, we're looking at trading time frames at FCITSC. The time frame, what you trade, it depends on what type of investor or trader you are and wherever you are around the world. So full time will be someone who would trade all day and every day or most days. And then you get part time, someone who might trade a few hours a week or a few hours a month on the side. So, it can be someone working elsewhere and then has got a lump sum to invest, so they might spend a few hours a week or a month on the side, they're learning trading in, any of the product areas, whether that's Forex, currency, crypto, stocks. And then you got bespoke. This is private investing type, so there'll be some input, generally specialists like banks, hedge fund, private firms, bespoke consultants and private signal providers. So it depends where you fit. So if you're in a full-time capacity, then you've got a lot of man hours to do a lot of research, a lot of work every day, so you're sort of glued on. In part-time, you're not so much fuss, so the longer time frames might suit you more. If you're in full-time every day, you might be looking at, shorter time frames. Then you've got bespoke, so that's, mix of everything, short, mid-term and long-term. So that's where you first have to establish where you lie, because trading is quite a complex area. Okay, and then secondly, the level of knowledge or expertise, it depends how much level of expertise or knowledge you have. So beginner would look for longer time frames to trade on. So you look at the weekly candlestick and a monthly candlestick are much better as a beginner, because the technical aspects are much easier for you. Like we said, that if you're trading, like you're trading full-time, part-time or bespoke, 3 different areas. So for a beginner, it's better to trade less to begin with. Then you've got intermediate, so that's both long-term and mid-term trading with some intraday trading, which, as you're aware, is, or if you're not aware, is under 24 hours or, in minutes and hours. And then you've got advanced, which, like I said, is intra-traded and all of above. So it's a very complex area. Intraday trading is, although it does take a bit of time getting used to. So, it's important, as if you're a beginner, then go for the longer time frames. And, if you're advanced, then you can do any time frames. Okay, so on the monthly time frame, which is a candlestick, or period, if they use line charts, candlesticks, that's your own choice. So what I recommend is, on the monthly bars, you look at stock, commodities, indices or cryptocurrencies. These that I'd look at on a monthly bar, because some are long term, some iron out, a lot of flash sort of volatile price movement. Stocks are good long term because of the fundamentals as well. Remember, one element that I'd give you trading signals for is solely part of our overall picture of fundamental analysis as well as sentiment. So stocks are better longer terms, because sometimes you might have figures coming out, so forth, so your quarterly figures or yearly, so that can affect the price going up or down. Then, as you're aware, cryptocurrencies, commodities, gold, oil, quite volatile, and indices a bit like stocks. They go up and down, based on performance of stocks. So that will that candlestick will suit beginners. It'll suit intermediate traders, and as I explained, advanced as well. Traders, the monthly candlestick. So it's a bit of all. It's got benefits for the beginner, intermediate, and advanced, because you have to be able to pick long-term trades as well. So you've got to be quite advanced in the trading area to be able to begin to trade long-term. And then we've got weekly, so that's good for stocks, Forex, indices, commodities, oils, cryptocurrencies. So once again, that's good for beginner, intermediate, and advanced. So on the weekly bars, the stocks are nice and easy. You can get some good entries. Forex is good on weekly as well. It's quite complex on the short-term candlesticks, but it's good on the weeklies because you can get longer-term liquidity. And then indices is fairly straightforward, and then commodities, oil, cryptocurrencies. In the weekly bar, volatilities are raised as well compared to, say, daily bar or intraday bar of 15 minutes or 30 minutes, which we'll be coming on to shortly. Okay, so we're just looking at the daily bar now here as well. So this is stocks, Forex, indices, commodities, oil, cryptocurrencies. So this has got a mix, but it is geared for intermediate to advanced. Although daily beginners can use the daily buy, it's still quite volatile. So if you buy on a daily buy, it could end up a sell at the end of the day. Say you bought a product, it could end up on the other side. There is quite a lot of volatility in these areas. So the daily bar suits more intermediate and advanced traders in all sorts of, in all the product areas. And then we've got the 30-minute, 15-minute bar. That's what you call intraday bar. Although you can still use it on the, say, 7 days worth of charting, the 30-minute bar. You can candlestick. You can still use it for 5 days in the longer term, but usually these sort of candlesticks are used for intraday trading. So all these areas, stocks, forex, indices, commodities, oil, cryptocurrency, like I was saying to you earlier on, the daily candlestick is still quite a complex area due to volatility. And this is an advanced area, so you need, what I mean by that is, I will recommend it to start trading with intraday signals, to go in any product area and try and trade within minutes or a few hours. It's a very difficult area to master. After practice, after you've got quite a lot of practice, that's fine. But as a starter, I would recommend it. It's quite advanced. It's better to go for the longer candlesticks to protect your investments, or with the trading signals. So you've got a good go with bigger stop losses to really get the direction right, not necessarily the profit target, but get into the direction so you do make profits either way. So the longer candlesticks time frames will suit you there. So I hope you've enjoyed this program today. It was just a fast track guide, really. You will find, obviously more learning material online. Well, that's it for today's program. I hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for next week's programs next week. And please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.